Filmora have launched new event. And the name of event is New Year, New Creation, Filmora Always With You 2025. Here you can spin the wheel and unlock surprises. And each person gets one free draw every day. Now, I am going to click on this start button. Let's see what it's come. So here, I got 20% off on Filmora Perpetual Plan. And this prize is automatically received in our account. Now scroll down. Here you can earn more draw chances. For it, you have to refer friends and invite friends to register Filmora. So, share your invitation link now. And here, you can win a Filmora 30-day free license by creating simple video. Rules are very simple. Step 1. Create a recap 2024 with Filmora video using Filmora and share your best moments. And make sure it's over 15 seconds. Step 2. Post your video on any social media platform with the hashtag recap with Filmora. Step 3. Submit the video link on this event website. From here you can listen to the stories of other creators in 2024. Here you may share wishes and move forward with Filmora. Here are some rules about this event, so you can read it carefully and win many gifts or prizes. And this event is going to finish on 15th January 2025.